Hi everyone! Visual Composer Premium allows creating custom maintenance mode pages, and in this video I'll show you how to do that. To access the maintenance mode controls, open your WordPress admin panel, locate Visual Composer, and click on Settings. There, under the Settings tab, click on Maintenance Mode. To set your site on maintenance mode, enable this toggle and select the page that the visitors will see when opening your website. You'll see all of your already created pages here in the drop-down. So I'll choose a page that I've already made for this video and save the changes. Now, when I open my website, this is the page that the visitors are going to see. Remember, you can use all features of Visual Composer to create a completely unique maintenance mode page. To do that, you can create a new page with Visual Composer and choose one of our maintenance mode templates as the basis of your design. You'll find them here in the Visual Composer hub. Once the maintenance mode is enabled, you'll see this red button at the top, and users who have access to the admin panel still be able to preview the site and make any changes. And that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.